CJ here with the Ultimate Stock Indicator Pro. This is an indicator that has been created for the busy investor who is not a day trader. You have a full-time job, but you want to be an active trader in the market. And its function is basically to give you clear buy and sell signals with 8 confirmations. And you want 8 confirmations so that way there's a higher percentage of winners. You never get to FOMO on any given stock by selling too soon or selling too late. And the most important part and the greatest benefit of the indicator is that you stop watching the screen all day. So basically, these are the things that are being used. The 2 Pine scripts that are in here is this one, and then the crossover. And so this is basically how it works. Let me take you to Palantir, and we are using the 4-hour candle. You can use daily as well. But in the 4-hour candle, we can look at all of these buy-sell signals that are visible here, but you're looking for that 8 confirmation. This buy signal only gave us 2 confirmations, so we didn't jump in here. But on November 5th in the afternoon, there was a buy signal for Palantir. And so we're testing it, and there were 8 confirmations. So how do we know that there are 8? Well, first things first is that, is the candle green? Yes. Is it over the yellow? Over the blue? Yes, yes. Has the yellow line crossed over the blue? That's another confirmation. Is there above average volume? At the bottom indicator, we have the red line actually turning green, which shows positive momentum. And has it turned green? Yes. Is it over the blue? Yes. Is it over the zero? Yes. So here's an entry where we have a buy signal with 8 confirmations. And what we do here is we buy 2 or more options on Palantir. The next day, this is what we notice. The candles are going up, which is great. It has jumped up all the way to 14 in a matter of a few days. And here is the first sell signal. And for the sell signal, it also works the opposite way as well. You want to be able to ask the same questions. Is the candle red? Is it below the yellow? Is it below the blue? Is there any trend that points to being negative? Is the volume above average? All of these, the answer is no. The green line, has it turned red? Yes. Is it under the blue? Yes. Is it under the zero? No. So here you have a sell signal with only 2 confirmations. And so therefore you can take a look at that and say, all right, this is just a dip in an upward trend, and we can ignore it and continue holding our respective options. So we keep on watching. Again, 1 hour after the market is open, 1 hour before it closes, you're able to look at the candle, and the signals are live. They're not lagging indicators, by the way. When you see a buy signal like this, if you had bought in about 2% of your portfolio into any given stock, you can scale in here no more than 5%, because we practice risk management within our team. So we're still looking for that sell signal, and we don't see it. We were able to ride this continuously, scaling in continuously, unless you were at 5%. Here, most of us already had put in 5%, so we do nothing. We just watch and do our happy dance and continue watching this go up. When you see a star, there's a doji. It says basically to watch out, be careful, because there's a potential trend change coming. Sure enough, we see the sell signal pop up. At this juncture, even though we do the questions, there's only 5 confirmations, but within a matter of 3 weeks, you have a stock that has gone up nearly 200% or so. Your options are anywhere between 800 to 1300% in profit. And as the saying goes, pigs get fed, hogs get slaughtered. So at this juncture, you can pretty much close out all your positions and be happy that you have cleared so much. You have shot the moon. And so, sure enough, um, looking at it from there on, Palantir pretty much has been trading in range and hasn't given us much reason for us to jump in headlong. So we're still looking for it. Okay, and this is basically how the indicator works. The cost of this is a one-time fee of $150, and this allows you to put this indicator on your TradingView account. You must upgrade it to a Pro Plus account in order for it to work, because there are really 8 indicators that are um, put in together in combination. Majority of it is actually invisible and working behind the scenes. We do ask for a monthly donation. It's on an honor system. And what that gets you is um, almost daily stock option alerts that meet the criteria of buy signal with 8 confirmation. You get a team member chat where everybody is extremely helpful. And you also get direct access to me via Telegram. So that's what you get. If you are interested to find out more, please follow the link for the calendar, and we can Zoom one-on-one and be able to discuss how we can get you on board and allow you to have a prosperous 2021. Have a good day.